You don't need to send gifts. I don't use TikTok like that. But thank you so much. Yes, I will visit Philippines. You guys all said yes. So I'm gonna come. Yes, I won. Thank you for congratulating me because my queen won. My Philippines won. So mabuhay Philippines, we won! Alright guys, so I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later before I lose my voice. But I love you guys. I love Philippines. We won, baby. Congratulations to us. Philippines, we won! Just like I predicted and just like I wanted. So see you guys soon. I'm gonna let you know if I'm gonna actually come to the Philippines because I think I will. I will. I mean, it's only around the corner and the Philippines is just here and I'm in Thailand, so why not? Alright. Love you guys. Bye. And when I come to the Philippines, you guys better come to the airport and bring me the chicken.
So, inyong napanood at narinig itong si Miss Zimbabwe na pupunta daw siya sa Pilipinas. So, bibigyan lamang po natin ito ng reaksyon kasi kung meron mang tao or candidate dito sa MGI 2025 na gusto natin isa sa mga pasalamatan dito sa pagkapanalo sa victory at success ni Emma Tiglao, ito ay walang iba kundi ang pambato ng Zimbabwe. So in this video is mag-update rin po tayo dahil naging makasaysayan po itong pagkapanalo ni Emma Tiglao at in fact ay nag-draw ito ng million na views dito sa social media in combine at ang sabi doon ay umabot daw ng 78 million ang lahat ng views na nakatag dito kay Emma Tiglao sa lahat ng social media platform. So ang indication nito mga kapolitika ay talagang very popular, very famous itong si Emma Tiglao dito sa kanyang pagkapanalo victory sa Miss Grand International 2025. So 78 million lang naman yung total views niya na na-contribute dito sa organization, dahilan kung kaya matuwa itong sinawat sa balitang ito na kung saan is nag-trending yung kanyang papaget dahil isang Pilipina yung kanilang kinoronahan dito sa Miss Grand International 2025.